Hello guys, Khalida Vids here, and today we have a Full HD sports cam by Vemont. It currently retails £19.99 on Amazon, on sale from a very expensive price, so the fact I'm getting it for £20 is a really good deal. Wear it, mount it, love it, enjoy it. A waterproof cam up to 30 meters. So it takes 1080p photos, I think, and it videos at 720p, 30 frames per second. It has a super wide angle lens at 140 degrees, waterproof up to 30 meters, 2-inch LCD, supports many languages. It can store up to a micro SD HD card, but I don't think it supports SD-XC card, so bear that in mind. But so SD-HC is still plenty of enough storage. It has a rechargeable battery which charges via a micro USB input. And yeah, so it comes with a bunch of accessories like the waterproof housing, a clip 1, handlebar / pole mount 1, mount 2, and mount 3, and probably some straps as well. Okay, so now let's get into the thing. Just put that to the side. So we have what I think is, we have clip 1. Put that to the side. We have our mountain straps. For example, when we have our bike helmet or something. Here we have our handlebar / pole mount, which is really good if we wanna mount this onto our handlebars on our bike or our scooter. Here's mount 3. Here's mount 2 with sticky pads, which is good for things that you can't really mount to normally with a valve or a screw. And here we have some kind of twisting knob action mount thing. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll get to that. Here's our micro USB cable to charge for sports action camera by Vemont. And here's our user guide, which explains everything on how to mount all the accessories, the waterproof housing for basics. And yeah, you can pause and read this if you want to. But for now, we're going to move on. Yep, there's all the mountain stuff. So I'll put that there. And here we have the main camera itself. So we press this thing to power on. But it seems to be on low battery right now. You can see the battery's drained, it's empty. And then we have 1-2 micro USB input. And another button on top, probably the record button, but I need to mount an SD card first for it to record. Yeah, you can see this bit for the mount. Overall, it seems really solid. And compared to a GoPro which I've previously tested, it seems exactly like it, and maybe it has a bit more accessories than it comes with in a box. And bear in mind, this is only £20 versus a GoPro £150 plus. Even some of the new ones, 500. Can you believe that? That's half the price of an iPhone X. So the fact you're getting this for £20, you must buy it. So I appreciate you guys watching until the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be leaving links to this in the description. Remember, like and subscribe, and peace. I'm a stylish guy. I'm a stylish